What is a food processor and what is it used for? A food processor is a handy kitchen appliance that will make food preparation a breeze. A food processor can chop, shred, mix, puree, dice, slice and knead ingredients with just the touch of a button, saving you so much time in the kitchen. This versatile appliance really is a home cook's best friend. Whether you're preparing veggies for a stir fry, making a delicious dip, or mixing up a batch of hamburger patties, using a food processor makes it so easy. Food processors come in different sizes and with a range of attachments, each tailored for specific tasks. The main workhorse is the multi-purpose blade, perfect for chopping and pureeing. Then there are shredding and slicing discs in variable sizes, whipping blades and even dough blades for baking. As I mentioned, food processors come in a variety of sizes. At KitchenAid, we have a size to suit everybody's needs. Check out the description below for a handy link to our food processor comparison chart or to shop the range of food processors.